Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on BlackBerry Limited. Trading here in the New York Stock Exchange, ticker is BB. And yeah, I made already here a video back in December 2024 where I talked about a massive short squeeze potential here for BlackBerry. Yeah, usually guys, when you don't know where short sellers start to cover or where they settle their fail to deliver, guys, then it's very difficult to spot short squeeze entries. I made a video back here in December and you can see that BlackBerry started to rip now here more than 100%. Yeah, and we have a very interesting setup. That's why I make this update video here for you. Everything what I say here is of course not financial advice. We dive now here together in the chart and check the technical situation if we can see a short squeeze for BlackBerry. Yeah, why do I say that, guys? When we zoom out and see the chart, this is what we have, guys. This is BlackBerry. BlackBerry was trading here at $1.14. That was the all-time low back here in 1999. And guys, believe it or not, the same algos which are trading here 20 years ago, guys, they are still active and we have still the same situation. The float for BlackBerry is almost unchanged. They don't dilute the stock, which is very good. And that means we could see some spikes like this here again. Looks very small in the chart compared to the peak, which we had here. BlackBerry squeezed from $114 to $148. So this is more or less here, yeah, very comparable to AMC and Gamestop, for example. And yeah, sometimes I don't understand why people don't focus on these stocks. They are also sleeping bombs, guys, and can explode at any day soon. So I already made a video here back in December, so we can check now the chart. Before I do that, guys, while I'm doing that video here right now, also one of my Patreon swing trade alert here, tickers squeezed 709% here in just 2 trading days. I always try to predict short squeezes here in the market, not only for BlackBerry, guys. I do that for a lot of other stocks as well. And this ticker here squeezed just yesterday 709%, and just one day before another Patreon swing trade alert, which I posted here on Patreon in January. You can see traded sideways, and boom, sayonara, 797% squeeze in here 3 trading days, guys. So that is very possible to predict short squeezes. This is one of my missions here. And if you also want to see my hidden short squeeze stocks, guys, I also upload here my hot stocks every Sunday. These tickers have very high squeeze potential. This is my finest selection of short squeeze stocks. You can see my members made here huge profits already. There is no guarantee, of course, guys, don't get me wrong, but I give my best to predict short squeezes here for you. If you want to see those tickers, guys, you can of course join our trading community here on Patreon. The full package membership is the way to go, where you get all the full access to everything what I post here, guys. And if you also want to get access to this Patreon member link, guys, click here the info card in the corner and you get access to my Patreon link, guys. So let's now talk about BlackBerry. I will show you my drawings. Nothing changed. I just harmonized the chart a little bit. So I have here a squeeze check video. You can find it here by the end of this video. And yeah, this is where we are, guys. And why is BlackBerry now becoming interesting again? I already made a video here back in December. You can see still the yellow line here in the chart. That was the day when I made my video. And now we switch here back. We are here in the monthly chart for BlackBerry, that you can see the volatility of the stock. And if you wonder what kind of percentage we're talking about here, the last big squeeze was together with AMC and Gamestop. You can see here January 2021, same like AMC and Gamestop. And we had here also a massive squeeze for BlackBerry here. In total, the squeeze was almost 1000%. Crazy. So, and this is where we are, guys. So when we now switch here back to the weekly chart, or we can also just stay for a second here, we have this white algo trend line here, guys, which is supporting the price. Fake out short squeeze. Here we came down. The green line here, the green price level is $2.68. That was the support. That is also the reason why I made my video here, because I said, hey, we're coming back above the support. And guess what, guys? Now BlackBerry starts to come back here above the white trend line, which usually acts as a squeeze trigger. So we are here in the monthly chart. What does that mean? When we zoom in and see the situation here before the short squeeze in January 2021, it took a couple of months here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months. That's what usually people don't do. They have no patience. Sometimes you have to wait, you have to track the chart, and as long as we keep above this price level here, we have a very good chance to see a short squeeze again. Here was already one attempt back in 2023, we failed, but now you can see we come with volume here with a very strong support, $2.68 support back over this white trend line, guys. And yeah, we could see here a short squeeze for BlackBerry. Now let's dive into the daily chart to see the possible price levels here. This is of course not financial advice, guys. This is just what the chart is telling us, and what I really like is that BlackBerry came back to this, yeah, let's call it middle trend line here of this trend channel, because this is the pattern where we are trapped. And now, guys, the usual next price target, you can see that we had here 1, 2, 3 attempts already here to break this price level. So some algos are waiting here to stop the price, and this is exactly where we are right now. So if BlackBerry can continue here to squeeze, we have at least a price goal here of $6.91. This is not a short squeeze, guys, don't get me wrong, but when you see the additional time when I made my video here during that time, and when the bottom was in here at $2, this is already a 240% squeeze. This is not bad, but this is not a big short squeeze. I just want to show you that these same algos which caused the squeeze in 2020 and earlier are still active for BlackBerry, and that we can see here a massive short squeeze. So what needs to happen to see a short squeeze? It is very simple, guys. Yeah, we need volume first, but volume is nothing when we don't break the price levels. BlackBerry has to squeeze over $7. We have to see a price over $7 in order to follow up with a short squeeze. As long as we are trapped in this trend channel pattern here, I marked the top of this trend channel pattern with this yellow line here, guys. As long as we are trapped here, it is very difficult to squeeze, guys. We just squeeze here back to $6.90 here in that range and maybe see a correction. The market situation is very good. Yeah, we have a lot of squeezes right now. Otherwise, we would not see here 709% in one day, or here on 3 trading days, guys, sorry. Or this one here was 797%. So this is just possible when you have a very, very bullish market, at least in that short period of time. And that's the reason, guys, why I think we have a potential squeeze breakout here for BlackBerry right now. Keep that in mind. Everything below $7 is not super bullish, but it is of course bullish. Everything above $5 is bullish, guys. Yeah, everything below $7 is just here this kind of wedge pattern which we are trading in. Yeah, that looks very promising here. I want to see here higher highs, so I would love to see that BlackBerry goes at least over $5.80, that we can break these double top pattern here, and that, guys, could be the beginning here of a squeeze. So in a perfect world, if we don't squeeze right now, in a perfect world, in a perfect trading world, we get rejected here at this trend channel top, yeah, and then start to accumulate here between $5 and $6 or $7 here in that range, guys, and that could be the beginning here. Maybe something like a cup and handle pattern, you know, that we start to squeeze here. And then of course we have here much higher price targets. You can see my squeeze check video if you want to see all the price targets for BlackBerry, guys. Yeah, that was my quick and dirty update. If you want to copy here the trend lines from my chart, where you can see the price levels here in the scale, guys, this is everything based on TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos, and of course for all my personal trades. If you also want to learn trading, there is no way around, guys, that you have a good chart program. That's why I recommend TradingView. I can give you here a $15 discount link. I am not sponsored by TradingView, guys. Very important, on the premium tier. And if you use here my the link here in the info card, you get access to this $15 discount link. So my friends, that was my quick and dirty update on BlackBerry. I hope that was helpful for you. If you don't want to miss any updates, guys, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I really appreciate that. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute. Bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Alles Gute. Bye bye, guys.